You want to get points with your manager? Then reduce the number of problems he or she is facing. What do I mean by that? Let's say I'm dealing with my manager, Jill, and there's no one handling training assignments for the new employees. Okay. Well, instead of waltzing into Jill's office and saying, "Hey, Jill, we have all these new employees. You remember you have to assign them their training matrix in order for them to be on the training board and to get all the training they need." Okay, if I want to be more useful and solve one of Jill's problems, then I could go to the new individuals, figure out what is their billet, what have they been hired for. Maybe it's systems engineering, maybe it's quality, maybe it's mechanical design. Okay, well, I know enough to gear them toward the right trainings right up front. So I can go to some of them. Let's say Judy's one, and say, "Hey, Judy, you're here for mechanical design. You probably want to take ME 201, which is our CAD system." Or if someone's a new quality engineer, let's say Haley, then it's like, okay, you want to take QMU, quantity and measurement of uncertainty, because if that's part of your quality program. So I can steer them in the right direction. Then if William is a new systems engineer, well, that's right in my lane. So not only can I point him to the right training internally, I can give him resources to NCOSI, professional societies, I can give him some mentoring. But the main point here is that I was able to solve one of my manager's problems, which is get people trained up, by taking initiative and giving people suggestions on what to take. And my experience has been that they're usually pretty grateful that I've helped them out. Later, I would then follow up with Jill and said, hey, I did this, told William to take the systems engineering course, and then gave these other instructions. At which point she could say, "Okay, thanks, I'll take it from here," and then I've given her a head start. The main idea there is to try and help solve your manager's problems. If you can do your day job, that's already taken care of. See if you can take some things off their plate. They usually have more than is fair to assign, possibly. And the more that we as systems engineers can help that, we're going to be looked at favorably when they're assigning the lead systems engineer position to the new project. So now we don't want it to be transactional. We want to help the team, but we help solve their problems. We come to them with a real urgency. They're a lot more willing to help solve ours. So comment below. Let me know what you think.